trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know. 'Cause a bottle of vodka still lodged in my head, and some blonde gave me nightmares. Think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies they won't make of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and French kiss the morning, while some marching band keeps its own beat in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love, the truth, what you mean to me, and the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. Oh, tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, step that I take's on my way home. King's ransom and dimes I give each night to see through this brave phone. Still I run out of time, or it's hard to get through to the pearl on the wire. Drives me back to you, I just close my eyes. Whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this hotel bar's hangover whiskey's gonna try to fall, keep us twigs cooking, and she's giving me the eye. Well, I might have said yeah, but I laughed so hard I think I'd die. Ooh, yeah. Now as you close your eyes, know I'll be thinking about you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
While my mistress, she calls me to stand in her spotlight again. Tonight, I won't be alone. To know that don't mean I'm not lonely. I got nothing to prove, but it's you that I died to defend.